The world of content creation is moving faster than ever. And if you are still relying on your smartphone or an aging camera to carry your channel, you are leaving quality on the table. We are currently witnessing a massive shift in the creator economy, and all eyes are on the potential successor to Nikon's legendary vlogging powerhouse, the Z30. If you have been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade your faceless channel's production value, listen closely. The rumors surrounding the upcoming Nikon Z30 successor, often whispered as the Z30 II or a new ZRC series, are not just minor updates. They represent a complete reimagining of what a budget-friendly, professional-grade mirrorless camera can actually do for your workflow. We are talking about the potential integration of the flagship X7 processor, the same engine that powers Nikon's top-tier Z9 and Z8 bodies, which could finally bring high frame-rate 4K 60p recording and next-generation autofocus capabilities to the entry-level market. This is the difference between struggling with your footage in post-production and having a cinematic, ready-to-publish look straight out of the camera. You need to understand that the stakes for this release are incredibly high because Nikon is playing to win the Budget King title in 2026. Current industry intelligence suggests that this new body is being built specifically to dismantle the dominance of current vlogging favorites by offering uncropped 4K video, 10-bit internal color depth, and advanced AI subject tracking that keeps your B-roll or product shots tack sharp without you ever having to touch a focus ring. For a faceless channel creator, this is the ultimate game changer. Imagine having a camera that acts as a set-and-forget studio tool, capable of handling long-duration recording without overheating, equipped with a dedicated tally lamp so you know exactly when you are live, and featuring a vari-angle touchscreen that makes framing your top-down or cinematic angles effortless. Nikon is clearly aiming to provide a high-end cinema experience in an ultra-compact brick design that fits perfectly into any home studio or travel setup. The reason this matters so much right now is that the transition from a casual hobbyist to a professional content brand is all about the equipment's reliability. The current Z30 is already a fantastic entry point with its 20.9 MP sensor and excellent ergonomics. But the upcoming successor is rumored to be the bridge that connects high-end production features to a price point that doesn't break the bank. We are tracking potential price targets between $600 and $900, which, considering the rumored hardware leaps, makes it perhaps the most anticipated value proposition of the year. If you are serious about your YouTube journey, you know that audience retention is driven by visual quality and consistency. This camera is being designed to give you both without forcing you to spend thousands on professional cinema gear. We are currently in a critical window where Nikon has been pushing through new wireless certifications and accelerating its 2026 product roadmap, confirming that these new bodies are deep into the testing phase. Whether it launches as a direct Z30 successor or an entirely new line, the philosophy remains the same: performance density. This means you get more power, better low-light capability, and cleaner skin tones in a smaller package than ever before. If you wait until the official launch day to decide on your next camera, you will likely be fighting against back orders and shipping delays. Just like we saw with previous successful launches, being ahead of the curve means knowing that this technology is coming and preparing